Welcome to the Arden Fair Mall in Sacramento, California, scene of regular episodes of black mob violence throughout the year, but especially around Christmas time. On the day after Christmas, the first day of Kwanzaa at the Arden Fair Mall, we had a huge number of black people running around, creating havoc, causing violence, mayhem, property damage. We don't have very good video except what you just saw. So why don't we go to some of the eyewitnesses who posted on Twitter? Why don't we talk to Kashia Money? The mall shut down quick. Before all that escalated, my manager got a text from the mall to shut down early at 5 p.m. And that's when all that shit happened. The whole alarm going off, then the gun rounds, the timing, the traffic jam. Hell, the police forces were there all day. Then she goes on, dude, like seriously, I can't believe that actually happened. And she goes even more. I was taking my break and the mall alarm went off. Everyone stopped, confused AF, confused as fuck. Then gun rounds were being shot. People were screaming and running away everywhere, like FR. I don't know what FR is. Anyway, I thought the gunshots were going to stop, but it got closer to me. I was running. People were screaming. Some people were crying. Everyone ran. Why don't we check in with Roland? Arden Mall, ratchet as fuck, but what's new? Laughing my ass off. JP said, I searched Arden Mall trying to see what happened tonight and found this, man. Arden is where the wild things are. Came to Arden with my little cousin, and of course, all you assholes are fighting, shaking my head. This is why no one likes Arden Fair Mall.
Please, sir, I want some more.
So this is the 5th episode of Black Mob Violence at Malls, day after Christmas, first day of Kwanzaa. Celebrate, celebrate, don't make the black kids angry.